Would you like to enhance your throat chakra, your ability to speak kind words to yourself or others? Well, I have a couple of exercises, stretches, and a mudra that we're going to do together. So first, the MojiYogi pose I chose to do work with your throat chakra is the child's pose. We're going to do it seated today. So before you were born inside your mom, you did a fetal position, which helped you feel protected and safe and protect all your vital organs. It helps lower cortisol and help you feel relaxed. So we're going to begin by sitting down, and you're going to just kind of put your hands, hold on to a chair, or just ground your hands to whatever you're seated on. Now we're going to be lifting up opposite knee, opposite arm. This is going to give us contralateral brain activity, which your right and left brain works together as a team. So breathe in your nose, your victorious breath. On the exhale, breathe out your nose, lift up one knee, opposite arm. And now lower down, we're going to do the other side. Breathe in your nose. Exhale, breathe out your nose, lift up opposite knee, opposite arm. Now, if it bothers your leg, if you've had a prior injury, to lift it up like that, you can also just lift up the heel. So lift up opposite heel, opposite hand, and then switch opposite heel, opposite hand. So that is the seated version of the child's pose. Now, if your neck is giving you any problem, I'm going to recommend a couple of stretches. Say you didn't sleep well. Let's go ahead and you're going to take your hands and put it right behind your neck. Now, gently, you're going to lower your chin towards your chest and bring your elbows in. Breathe in your nose. On the exhale, breathe out your nose and tuck your chin toward the chest with your elbows. Now inhale and gently look up 45 degrees. Now exhale, breathe out your nose, tuck your chin toward the chest and put your elbows down. And now you're going to drop one hand to the side and you're going to look to the right and then look to the left. And now put this hand behind your back and gently you're going to look down, look up, look down, look up, and now switch hands. So this hand is going to go out, you're going to go down and then up. Put this hand behind your back, go at a diagonal, look down, look up, and then look forward and back up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is a mudra for your throat chakra. Now the chakras, of course, are just energy vortexes in your body. So when you breathe in the nose, air spirals down the spine and then it comes straight back up. Where it's intersecting are those energy vortexes that correspond with the endocrine glands. Your throat chakra has to do with your thyroid. So the pose that I chose, or the mudra we're going to do, is you're going to interlace your fingers and you're going to connect your thumbs right in front of your stomach. Now you're going to breathe your victorious breath. Breathe in your nose. On the exhale, breathe out your nose and flip your hands up by your throat and breathe out your nose so you can feel it on your knuckles. So you're going to breathe in, feel your stomach rising against your hands. On the exhale, breathe out your nose, bring your hands up by your throat. Breathe in, exhale through your nose. So try those strategies and notice how your communication becomes clearer. You start speaking kind words to yourself and to other people and feel so much better about communication. And if you have any questions, reach out to me and subscribe for more tips. Namaste.